Hi, I'm Miguel.
And I'm Natalie.
Welcome to Click Spain Tours.
Today we're in Nerja, and the day started off not very promising as it was very grey, and when we arrived here we thought, well, maybe we'd have to come back another day so we'd get better footage. And as we were wandering the streets, Miguel went one way, I went another way, and then Miguel actually found this place which is really cool, and we've decided to take a little stop. And what have you called it, Miguel?
A technical stop.
And this is what we're having.
So we are going to enjoy this break. The sky has cleared amazingly and we will continue with the tour.
Nerja is found in the region of the AXARQUIA, within the province of Málaga. It is a beautiful coastal town, very popular amongst the tourists. Nerja boasts of 13 kilometers of some of the best beaches on the Costa del Sol, known for their crystal clear waters. Stay with us and let us show you around some of the main sites that you can visit within the town.
One of the most popular places to visit in Nerja is its Balcón de Europa. In the 9th century it was a fortress. But now it is a great lookout point with the shape of a balcony that overlooks the sea and from which you can see some of Nerja's popular beaches, as well as the coastline of North Africa on a clear day. The name that this iconic landmark carries, Europe's balcony, is due to the Spanish King Alfonso XII, who in 1885 visited Nerja and the surrounding areas after there had been a devastating earthquake in the December of 1884. To the side of the Balcón de Europa, you will come across La Iglesia de El Salvador, a 17th century church constructed in a Baroque mudéjar style. It has a bell tower from the 18th century, which was later restored. Its interior is divided into 3 naves, separated by pillars and semicircular arches. The upper part of the middle nave is decorated with a mudéjar coffered ceiling.
As you come out from the church, to its left, you will find the Plaza de España. On your way, you will first come across Nerja's town hall and its tourist information office. The Plaza de España is found in the historical part of town. It is decorated with great big plant pots with palm trees and plants. At the square, you will also come across a variety of cafes and restaurants. Normally, different events take place at the square throughout the year, such as Nerja's Carnival and the Day of the Residents, amongst others. And in the top left-hand corner of the Plaza de España, you will be able to visit the Museo de Nerja, Nerja's museum, which will inform you about the town's history, culture, and its natural environment.
One of Nerja's most walked-through streets is Calle Pintada, which leads straight to the Balcón de Europa. It is full of regular and souvenir shops, bars, restaurants and hostels. Its layout and the building's architecture show off an Andalusian style. A popular series from the 80s, which revolved around a young group of friends, was filmed in Nerja and its surroundings. The series was known as Verano Azul. One of the main characters was a retired sailor known as Chanquete, who used to live in his boat, which was known as La Dorada. A replica of the boat is on display today in the Parque Verano Azul. La Dorada symbolizes the expansion and development of tourism in Nerja. It is an interesting stop to make when visiting the town, as it is an important symbol of its recent history.
Another nice square to visit is Plaza Los Cangrejos, Crab Square, which receives its name from an old factory from 1885. It's found between the beaches of La Torrecilla and El Salón, and it enjoys a nice lookout point from where you can take in the view of the Mediterranean Sea. During summer, normally, it is a place that becomes a stage for many cultural events, becoming an important place that brings life to this town.
Because of the lovely beaches that Nerja boasts of, there are plenty of water activities that take place at them during the summer months, such as boat rides, kayaking, paddle surf, jet skiing, snorkeling, amongst many others. Care to join me?
One of the main attractions that draw people to Nerja, apart from its iconic Balcón de Europa, is Nerja's cave. Located in the area of Maro, they were discovered in 1959 by a group of young people that were looking for bats. Hopefully, not to be eaten. It's a fascinating visit to make, where you will be able to observe the enormous sizes of the stalactites and stalagmites that are in its interior, as well as being able to see a selection of its many prehistoric paintings.
This has been our short guided tour of Nerja. We hope that you've enjoyed it and that you'll be able to visit it soon enough.
But there is more to see in the vicinity of Nerja, and that is the beautiful village of Frigiliana.
Stay tuned for our video on this charming mountain village that we will be bringing to you soon.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and press on the bell. This way you'll be notified when we post a new video. Right then, should we hit the beaches?
Let's go!
Take care and God bless.
Until next time!